The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Review. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is a compact smartphone gimbal designed to enhance mobile videography through advanced stabilization and intelligent tracking features. Building upon its predecessor, this model introduces several notable improvements. Design and build. Weighing 357 grams, the Flow 2 Pro is slightly lighter than the original Flow Pro, which weighed 366 grams. It maintains a foldable design for portability and now includes a mirror on the back of the gimbal's mount, allowing users to frame themselves while using their smartphone's rear cameras for selfies. Stabilization and performance. The gimbal offers smooth stabilization for handheld shooting, ensuring professional-looking footage. It powers on instantly when unfolded, allowing users to capture spontaneous moments without delay. The Bluetooth connection is stable, facilitating seamless operation. AI tracking and features. Equipped with Deep Track 4.0 AI technology, the Flow 2 Pro can track multiple subjects, keeping them centered in the frame even while moving. The Pro Framing Grid feature allows users to select different grid squares to adjust subject positioning creatively. Battery life. The Flow 2 Pro offers up to 10 hours of battery life when used on a tripod. Handheld usage, which requires continuous stabilization, may result in reduced battery life. Overall, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is a versatile tool for content creators seeking to elevate their smartphone videography.